Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use a VPN with your Netflix account so you can unlock thousands of TV shows and movies that you may not be able to find in your location. And towards the end of the video, I'm even going to play a little bit of Netflix in real time, just so you guys can see that this method is 100% working. So as you can see guys, I'm over here on my Netflix account, and at the moment, I'm not connected to any VPNs whatsoever. So depending on where you are located in the world, you're most likely missing out on thousands of TV shows and movies that can only be found on the other versions of Netflix. So as an example, I'm located here in Australia, and this means I miss out on TV shows like Friends, The Office, and also movies like Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, and Marvel that can only be found on the other kind of locations of Netflix, like the UK, America, Canada, Spain, and the list pretty much does go on. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is connect to a VPN and then connect to a different version of Netflix, just so you can see the kind of difference of content available. And I'm also going to play a little bit in real time. So the VPN I'm going to use for this video is one called NordVPN. I've been using this specific provider for around 6 or 7 months now, and I have found them to be one of the most reliable and consistent at allowing me to bypass all of the geo-restricted content on Netflix. So if you are looking to follow along and get started with NordVPN, I actually do have a massive 70% discount link down below in the video description. So now that I have NordVPN open, essentially all I have to do is search for a location that I would like to connect to. So I can click and pan around and kind of choose a location, or alternatively, I can just search in the search bar. So in this instance, I want to connect to the United States, as they do have a really large catalog of TV shows and movies, including The Office, Marvel, and heaps of others as well. So I search for the United States, click on that location, and this will go ahead and connect me to the fastest server that NordVPN can find in America. And once this is highlighted in green, this just notifies me that my entire laptop device, including all of my browsers, is now connected. And I can even go ahead and follow this same process on iOS and Android phones as well. So now that I'm connected, I'll go back to my Netflix home. I'll refresh the browser, and this will then go ahead and load me onto the American-based version of Netflix. So I'll just close that notification. So now that I'm here, I'll now be able to access additional TV shows and movies that aren't available in my location. And just to show you guys an example of this, I'll search for a TV show called The Office, which is one of my personal all-time favorites. And unfortunately, this isn't available in my location. So as you can see, guys, I now have access to The Office TV show, plus heaps of other titles that aren't available in my country, such as Parks and Recreation, Sherlock, The New Girl, Better Call Saul, Criminal Minds, and the list pretty much does go on. And that really is only scratching the surface as to the amount of different content that you can find on the different versions of Netflix. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and play a really small snippet of this TV show in real time, just so you guys can see that this method is actually working, and also get an indication of speeds and performance as well. So I'll just go ahead and click on this one. And again, guys, this will be in real time with no edits whatsoever. And as you can see, that pretty much loaded instantly. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick and simple way on how to use a VPN with your Netflix account. And you can also go ahead and follow the same process and connect to different countries like the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Spain, and access all the different types of content on the Netflix platform. And again, guys, if you are looking to get started with NordVPN, don't forget to check out the massive 70% discount link down below in the video description. And also, guys, if you have any questions about VPNs, Netflix, or accessing different kind of platforms when using these kind of services, then feel free to comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.